This video is going to discuss annotating the design. There are certain components that need to have specific names. Edit the names by double-clicking on the text. Enter the correct component name and click OK. With the design selected in the project hierarchy, select Tools, Annotate from the menu. Here there are multiple options to annotate the design. You can choose to annotate the entire design or a selection. Unconditional reference update resets all the components and re-annotates the entire design. Incremental reference update annotates only the components with question marks in the name. You also have the ability to reset all components to question marks, add inner sheet references, and delete inner sheet references. You can set the annotation type as default, left to right, or top to bottom. You can also select to update occurrences or leave the preferred option to update instances. Choose Incremental Reference Update and make sure the entire design is selected. Click OK. The design has been annotated. Join us in the next video to define differential pairs.